Yo, good day guys. Today I'm going to show you how to transfer your videos or your photos from your GoPro Hero 9 to your smartphone. And yeah, at the moment I'm using this Samsung Galaxy S21 and this cable that both of this side are USB-C. USB-C, USB-C. And all we need to do is just connect it to your to our GoPro Hero 9 and to our smartphone. Switch it on. Okay. And you will notice that it says USB-C connected MTP. And the GoPro app or the quick app will open and it will give you the option to view the media or control the GoPro. You click the view media and it is going to show you all the pictures and videos, all the files that are in your GoPro Hero 9. And you can choose to play it. And to make this very easy, this is just yeah, it is playing now. And there is also option here to download it or to erase it. Let's try to download it. 7 seconds, 6 seconds, 5 seconds, 4 seconds, very fast. Yeah, that is how easy it is to transfer media from your GoPro Hero 9 to your smartphone. Amazing. So it is saved already, media saved. It is saved on your GoPro app or on your GoPro quick app. Let's try to download. Click, there is another option here, download. And let's see if it is going to be downloaded to the gallery of the smartphone. Let's check the gallery. Okay, so it's not in the gallery of the smartphone, but it is on the gallery of the GoPro app. Yeah, that's easy. So you just need to take it out from the camera, and if you have this kind of cable, the original one from GoPro, then you will need this kind of adapter. It is going to be a USB-C. You just connect this, and now both sides are USB-C. Connected to the GoPro Hero 9. And the other end to the smartphone. And it's going to be USB connected MTP. And again, the app from your mobile phone is going to open and view media. And all the medias are going to open again and transfer it if you want. That's easy. Take it out, no worries, no problem, and it's done. Yeah, very easy now. Before, you need to transfer it wirelessly, which is really complicated. Sometimes it doesn't connect wirelessly for some kind of error, you know. Yeah, with cable it's always instant. Yeah, thank you for watching guys. Ciao.